Teleport VNet, a feature available in version 16 and up, allows you to implement defense in depth by moving any application into a private network, with the additional protection of role-based access control, without having to reconfigure anything. As an example, my company, Asteroid Earth, is running a self-managed GitLab instance. Right now, the instance is available in the public web at gitlab.asteroid.earth. I've been tasked with moving it into a private network for a few reasons. First, even though the instance is self-managed and private, we have some repos and organizations misconfigured as public, so non-authenticated users can still view some of our data. Additionally, we use Okta to authenticate, but with the recent compromises of identity provider vendors, we need to implement a defense-in-depth strategy, where even if our IDP is compromised, our applications are protected via network access. I could use a VPN, but in the past I've had a hard time getting those configured for the non-technical teams, and getting them to remember which VPN to connect to for which environment, etc. And a VPN would let anyone on it access any of the apps available on the network. There are several other internal apps that non-technical folks shouldn't be able to access. I want role-based access control to make sure that even on the internal network, only approved people can reach this instance. I want to make it easy for both the engineering and other teams to keep accessing it the ways they always have, whether in a browser or via the command line. And I want to do all of this without requiring changes in Okta or in the GitLab instance itself to avoid a complex migration. Teleport VNet checks all my boxes. Let's see how it works. To add the GitLab instance to Teleport, I add a simple section to the Teleport agent running on the server. I tell it to forward traffic to the local host on port 443 to maintain HTTPS and provide the instance's URL. Then I add a VNet configuration to my Teleport cluster, letting it know that for any requests on the domain asteroid.earth, it should look through available VNet applications. Now I'm going to delete the DNS record for gitlab.asteroid.earth and remove the firewall rules allowing web traffic to reach it, completely removing it from the public web. I can no longer reach it via a browser, and the ability to query the API while unauthenticated is gone. Now, as a user, all I have to do is open Teleport Connect. A VNet connection is activated automatically. I can open a browser, go to Okta, and access the GitLab instance as if nothing changed. I can open a terminal and access the API or use Git commands seamlessly. Encrypted traffic is still supported using my original certificate. When I quit Teleport Connect, my connection is gone. Best of all, there is role-based access control governing all of this. A user who does not have a role granting them access to this application won't be able to reach it. Teleport VNet allows you to take any application private, governed by role-based access control, with no changes to the application or how your teams use it. Try it today at goteleport.com.